Imagine 8 billion people living on one planet, eating different food, speaking different languages, and completely different things about life, death, and what comes after. What if I told you just 5 major religions shape the beliefs of most people on Earth? And today, a stickman, yes, me, is going to explain all of them in the simplest way possible. No fights, no confusion, just facts, stories, and maybe a few jokes so you don't fall asleep. Religion is basically how humans try to answer big questions like, why are we here? What is right and wrong? And what happens after we die? And different religions have different answers. Today, we'll explore 5 of the biggest ones: Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Judaism. Don't worry, this isn't an exam, but if it was, you'd definitely pass. Let's start with Islam, one of the fastest growing religions in the world. Islam began over 1,400 years ago in Mecca and follows the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The holy book is the Quran. Muslims believe in one God, Allah, along with prophets, angels, and the Day of Judgment. There are also 5 important pillars: belief, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage. Praying 5 times a day? Meanwhile, me, I forget to charge my phone once and panic like it's the end of the world. Islam focuses on discipline, submission to God, and living a moral life. Next is Christianity, the largest religion in the world. It's based on the teachings of Jesus Christ and emphasizes love, forgiveness, and salvation. The holy book is the Bible. Christians believe Jesus taught people to love and forgive, even your enemies. Yes, even that friend who eats your snacks without asking. Forgiveness is hard, especially when someone finishes your biryani. Christianity is about love, grace, and redemption. Now let's talk about Hinduism, one of the oldest religions, over 4,000 years old. It includes ideas like dharma, karma, reincarnation, and moksha. Life is seen as a cycle. You are born, you live, you die, and then you are reborn again. Imagine failing a test, and life says, don't worry, you can retry, but in a completely new body. Hinduism is very diverse with many beliefs and paths. Next is Buddhism. It started with Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha. He was a prince who had everything, but realized life includes suffering. So he left everything to find peace. Buddhism teaches that suffering comes from desire, and letting go leads to peace. The ultimate goal is nirvana, a state of complete peace. Buddhism says don't be attached. Meanwhile, me, emotionally attached to Wi-Fi. It focuses on inner peace, mindfulness, and balance. Finally, Judaism, one of the oldest monotheistic religions. It believes in one God and follows a strong tradition of laws and teachings. The holy book is the Torah. It includes stories of prophets like Moses, who led people to freedom. Imagine walking through the desert for years and still not asking for directions. Judaism focuses on law, tradition, and community. So, 5 religions, different beliefs, different paths, but all trying to answer the same big questions. At the end of the day, it's about understanding, respect, and learning from each other. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more simple explanations like this, and check out the next video on your screen right now. Trust me,